The reason why I'm stopping is your tags are expired on this car. Hold on!
On Interstate 10 in Pinal County, Arizona, deputies pulled over a vehicle for expired registration.
The reason why I'm stopping is your tags are expired on this car. I'm gonna write you a warning for the expired tags, okay? I'm gonna have you get out of the vehicle though, okay? And come back over here. All right, hon. Put your hands behind your back. You got some warrants.
Just so you know, we're going to inventory that vehicle. We're going to go into that vehicle and inventory it. I've been doing it a long time, this job. I have a feeling we're going to find some stuff in the car.
You are?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've been doing it for a long time. It's hard to hide it.
You wanna just pop the trunk first?
Oh, yeah.
Make sure no one's dying back there. Hola!
Hola!
Ven para acá, señor. You got cuffs? Ven para acá, señor. Manos atrás. Woo! Toasty. Mucho calor, huh? Yeah, see? Can you start BP for one? Can you also check if there's a Tommy gun available? Watch out, syringes. She's type 15 for multiple 38s.
Oh.
And then while searching the car, we found this guy in the trunk.
Oh.
So, we have Borp rolling around, so.
I saw BP at route. Where is she? Back here?
She's back here.
Okay.
Figured out we found the pair. Let's get her checked out. She did hit the shoulder up here. Yeah.
Did she admit to anything?
She says she only smokes marijuana.
Well, why would you have a meth pipe?
Yeah. And then she had some tinfoil in her pocket.
Yeah.
Tinfoil residue on it.
Holy cow, look at those sparkly shoes. Did you take that meth pipe?
He's got all that stuff. She had butane in her purse.
All the usual stuff?
Would that be a felony, endangerment, driving the trunk?
I mean,
Or no? That's the expert.
I don't know.
Driving impaired.
You're the expert of people riding in trunks, man.
Driving impaired and then operating a vehicle with somebody in the trunk.
I don't know. It's probably just, I don't think the impairment, I mean,
I guess it's different.
yeah, I don't know.
I guess you got to check his age first too.
Yeah, you can't go by size.
No.
You're okay? You're cold? Okay.
I'm a member of our traffic unit. Okay. Sorry, it was in my butt. Reason I'm talking to you is obviously all of the drug paraphernalia that was found in your car. And the possibility of you driving while under the influence. So, that's the investigation to which I'm conducting. They're conducting the investigation of, having a human in the trunk of your car and all that stuff. They're doing all that. I have nothing to do with any of that. I am simply just for the impairment.
I'm sorry, Cap. I'm so busy.
It's okay. Take time.
Can I ask for a lawyer? I
Sure, of course.
don't know what to say, what to answer. And
Yeah, that's okay. But so some of this stuff doesn't have anything to do with a lawyer. Okay, so some of this stuff is civil. So
with all your respect, I don't feel good right now. I have an anxiety and I feel like answering any questions right now because
Okay.
I feel like I'm.
well, this is.
I'm
I'm conducting an investigation, and some parts of this we don't get to just say, "Hey, I don't want to do this." So.
All right.
Okay, so today is not my first day doing this job, okay? I understand that the repercussions of many decisions are running through your head. I understand that, but fact of the matter is that not only did you endanger someone by driving them in the trunk of your car, but also having, several different drugs in your body while doing so. Will you consent to a test or tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance for the purpose of determining your alcohol concentration or drug content? And the only thing that we're going to do is a blood draw. That's it. And the answers are either yes or no.
I'm not gonna answer
Okay.
any of your questions.
So I don't. Okay. So let's say we're going to call that a no. So
Did I say no?
Well,
Why are you gonna call it a no? Did I say
because
no?
I told you, there's only two answers to the question. It's a
So
checkbox.
decide what my answer's gonna be?
You could have said yes. Okay, so here, let's do this. All right. So if you want to complain, so look, it either says yes or no. I only have two options. I can't fill it in.
I don't know what to answer.
Okay. Well, all I can do is read this civil form to you and ask you if you understand it.
I don't understand it. That's why I want.
Okay, well that's a one. Okay, so what?
I'm going through this already in another case.
Okay, so you've been arrested for DUI before.
I don't understand what.
Okay, so this is a very simple question. Will you consent to a test of your blood for the purpose of
I
determining?
don't know if I should or not. I don't know, officer. I don't know. I don't know the laws. I don't know if I should or not.
Okay. Well, I'll give you the next version of this.
Okay.
If you don't do it, your license is going to be suspended for 12 months. Okay, that's a full, absolute 100%. Your license is gone for 12 months. If you do submit, your license is only suspended for 90 consecutive days. So
My license always gets suspended
I,
for no reason, for the wrong reasons.
some of this is kind of your fault.
I'm saying overreacting. It's stupid.
Yeah, well, sometimes that's what happens when you make compounding poor decisions. It's not a trick question. It simply says, will you consent to a test? It's a yes or
I
no.
don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I take no personal offense to it. I have a job to do. And my job is,
I know that you're doing your job.
yes ma'am.
So, like, I'm getting excited. I don't know why. I can't breathe. I'm just tired of this thing. I'm just tired of to go home with my kids.
Well, what I did was I went ahead and authored a search warrant to draw your blood since you were unable to make a definitive yes or no decision. So the judge, Superior Court judge, has stated that I have sufficient probable cause to continue with the investigation and withdrawing your blood. So that is going to happen here next. I'm going to unhook you from this. All right. Please continue to act like a lady. That's a big long jacket. That's like an East Coast long jacket.
Yeah.
And I like that the zipper isn't in the middle. It's actually kind of cool.
The driver was detained, and the man found in the trunk was taken into custody at the scene as part of a separate human smuggling investigation. Deputies said that once the driver's blood test results are returned from the lab, the complete case file will be submitted to the Pinal County Attorney's Office for charging review. Based on the evidence collected, investigators expect the case to include suspected human smuggling offenses, driving under the influence, and narcotics-related violations. As of the video's release, investigators were still awaiting the toxicology results, and no final charging decision had been announced.